It's all about your money, so let's find out if it's being used and hopefully not abused. Time now for the very latest from the ENCA Money Desk with Rufiwa Madzena. I can't believe it, hey? You're coming with good news today for a change.
That's right, Shahan. GDP up by 3.1% for the second quarter. You'll remember in the first quarter we had contracted by around 3.2%. And let's have a look at some of the contributing factors in the primary sector. Very nice increase by the mining there, and a big contributor to that was the power stability that we saw, Eskom restoring power to major industries like mining, although we did see a decline in a critical sector, agriculture, with the lack of production in crops as well as horticulture. Let's take a look at the secondary sector, the contributors here. So we saw that manufacturing was up around 2.1%, electricity distribution up 3.2%, and then construction, a theme around how the construction sector over the past few years has really struggled, and that continues to filter through in economic growth prospects, Shahan.
All right, so what about the markets?
So not a great day on the markets today. We saw the JSE closing a little low, but before we get to that, let's have a look at how the Rand responded to those GDP data. So it responded positively by the higher than expected GDP figure of 3.1% growth in the second quarter. But investors remain cautious on the back of global events, which include the trade war with China and the US. And then if we take a look at the local bourse, it's yet to digest the positive economic data. The JSE traded lower today and closed in the red. The local bourse was tracking global markets as there seems to be no end in sight with the US and China and their trade spat. And on the commodities front, gold is comfortably trading above $1,500. Platinum is almost 1% stronger, trading at over $930 an ounce, while the price of Brent has lost around 1.4%, currently sitting at around $57 a barrel.
All right, thanks so much for that. Appreciate it. Rufiwa Madzena.